Part 1. Introduction of laying method.
The laying method of two large cloths about front and rear. First, we should check placement of the rear debugging cloth. The distance from debugging cloth to car body should be about 30 to 40 centimeters. The center line is aligned with the car body's center axis. Then, we use a tape measure to measure the distance between the debugging cloth and car wheel. The rear wheels on both sides should keep the same distance between debugging cloth and keep vertical with it. The debugging cloth placement method for the front of the car is same as the rear. The debugging cloth parallel to the front of the car. The center line should align with the middle of the front of the car. The front wheels on both sides keep the same distance and length with the debugging cloth. In this way, the front and rear debugging cloth is placed. This is what the debug cloth looks like when it's laid. Part 2. Introduction of manual splicing calibration method. First, use the remote control, enter the menu, and enter installation and debugging. We need to select the type of lens and debug cloth. First, select the lens types. Please select it according to the camera lens type we used for installation. Then select corresponding debug cloth option according to the actual cloth type. After it, press OK button to enter next step. Then, we need input the value of car S length AB and car S width BC. Input the length and width of the vehicle according to the actual situation of the installed model. Next, select the calibration button and press OK to enter the interface of manual and automatic options. Just press the manual debugging option goes to the next step. In this time, the system will prompt whether to take photos. Select yes. Next we can see the options of front view, rear view, left view, right view. Select front view, enter tracing point interface. In the tracing point interface, we can see there has a green rectangle is flashing. Press OK, then the rectangle on the right is also flashing. Press OK again. We can see spot 1 is jumping. At this time, we can refer to the punctuation position diagram in the upper right corner of the screen. Combine with the help of magnifying glass in the upper left corner. Press the direction key of controller. Adjust spot 1 to the corner of the black block on the left. You can adjust the moving distance of punctuation by adding and subtracting buttons of the remote control to make the calibration more accurate. Press OK, then spot 1 is done. Then spot to start jumping. We use the same way to move spot to the corresponding corner of the black block on the left. Press OK to finish spot 2. As the same, we can mark spot 3 to 8 step by step. After finished mark all 8 spots, then the process about front view of mark spots is finished. Press the back button to return to the front view, back view, left view, right view option interface. Using the same way to mark spot of rear view, left view, right view. After it, we select manual option, press OK to start splicing. At this moment, the system will prompt splicing is in progress. After finish, it will prompt success. This is a fact about successful splicing.